Hello Internet, it is day 15 of Vlog Every Day in April. Here in the United States, it is tax day, which means that you have to have your tax returns in so the IRS can take your money. My tax return has been done for a while, which means that I don't have to worry about today, but some people who haven't had their returns in for as long as I have were really under the gun this past weekend, and so that's probably stressful for them. Especially because the tax forms themselves and the procedures you have to go through are not simple, and they're very complicated and bureaucratic, and it's pretty much a nightmare. I learned this kind of the hard way because this is my first year ever filing my tax returns. There are several different versions of the same form, and there's a lot of information you have to fill out, sometimes more than once, and for reasons that aren't entirely clear. And then there's a lot of places, especially online, that say you can file your tax return for free, and it's not. Those kinds of schemes are really annoying, and they only take advantage of the complicated bureaucratic nature that is tax return filing. But the process I went through could have been a lot worse, so I'm thankful that it wasn't as complicated as it could have been. I'm not looking forward to when I own my own house, though. That's gonna make things really awful. Okay, that's all I really wanted to talk about today. If you did have to file your tax returns, congratulations, you don't have to worry about it again for a whole other year. And if you haven't had to file your tax returns yet, good luck when you have to. Hopefully it's not for a while. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.